You just landed in Quebec, or maybe you are about to, and you want to know a bit more about our land? Let's start with our holidays. But before we begin, a quick quiz. Did you know that Quebec is officially recognized as
Région autonome, un territoire spécial, une nation. Une nation.
That's right, unlike other provinces, Quebec has its own unique history, culture, and even national holidays. Today, we are exploring one of them.
Journée nationale des Patriotes.
Journée nationale des Patriotes.
Here's something fascinating. While the rest of Canada celebrated Victoria Day in honor of the British Queen, Quebec had its own version called
Journée de $. Journée de résistance. Journée de gloire. Journée de $. Journée de $. des Ormeaux.
named after 17th century French soldier who died fighting against the Iroquois. But why did Quebec choose to celebrate him instead of Queen Victoria? The answer reveals Quebec's quiet resistance. The French-Canadian majority never felt connected to British monarchy. For them, $. represented francophone courage. Quebec decided, however, to replace
Journée de $. des Ormeaux par Journée nationale des Patriotes.
Why? Because the Patriots' rebellion of 1837 to 1838 was the real defining moment of French-Canadian resistance against British rule. This wasn't just a name change, it was Quebec reclaiming its history. Instead of celebrating either a British queen or a questionable French hero, the holiday would now honor the ordinary people who actually fought for French-Canadian rights. Here is a quiz for you.
Quand Journée de $. des Ormeaux était remplacée par Journée nationale des Patriotes. 2003.
Imagine this. It's 1837. The British rulers give all power to English elites while French Canadians, the majority, are treated like second-class citizens. No rights. Unfair laws. Heavy taxes. Enough was enough. The Patriots rebelled. They were fighting for basic rights within the British system. The rebellions failed, but their spirit lived on, and that's exactly what Quebec celebrates today. If you are already in Quebec, you saw that many streets are named after prominent Quebec figures. But who led the rebellion of 1837?
Papineau. Chomedy. Descaries. Papineau.
Québec, je t'aime.
Today, you'll see Quebecers marking the Patriots' Day by flying the Patriots' flag, attending local concerts, and political speeches. It's more than just a day off, it's a day of pride for Quebec's distinct identity. And here is our last quiz. What are colors of the Patriots' flag?
Bleu, blanc. Fleur de lys. Vert, blanc, rouge. Vert, blanc, rouge. À la mémoire des Patriotes.